ULTEM 1010 resin filament is characterized by its high strength, excellent thermal properties, flame resistance, and low coefficient of thermal expansion. Hi, I'm Joe Staberfeni, an applications engineer at Stratasys, and in this video, I'm going to be telling you about the ULTEM 1010 filament, its benefits, and applications. The high performance characteristics of the ULTEM 1010 filament make it a good fit for a variety of applications in transportation, healthcare, and food safety. But the two application examples I'm going to focus on today are in high capability tooling. The first is composite layup forms. This material's high heat tolerance allows it to be used in an autoclave, making it highly suitable for the creation of composite tooling. 3D printing these tools can be done much faster and for a lot less cost than standard metal tooling, which typically has long lead times and is also very heavy and bulky. As an example, this large forming tool was used by an aerospace composite part supplier to make a helicopter radome. The ULTEM 1010 resin mold is a combination of shell and sparse double-dense fill patterns, optimizing both weight and material use. The real benefit for the supplier, however, was the ability to produce the mold in just 3 days, meeting a very tight timeline, which would not have been achievable using conventional layup tooling. Another ULTEM 1010 resin tooling application includes metal forming, since its strength allows it to withstand the force of bending the sheet metal. The benefit here is similar to the composite tool, which is the ability to quickly and cost-effectively iterate on a tool design and produce it much faster than standard hard tooling. This makes it particularly attractive for small production lots or as a bridge to full production with conventional forming tools. ULTEM 1010 is a polyether imide, or PEI, class of polymer. It's one of 2 PEI thermoplastic filaments we have available on Stratasys 3D printers, the other being ULTEM 9085. It has a tensile strength at break value of 79.2 megapascals, or 11,500 psi in the XZ orientation, and its relative lightness gives it a very good strength-to-weight ratio. Its heat deflection temperature, which is a measure of its temperature tolerance, is 241 degrees Celsius, or 417 degrees Fahrenheit at 66 psi. ULTEM 1010 filament comes in 2 grades, standard and certified grade. Certified grade comes with additional documentation to show compliance with ISO 10993 and USP Class 6 biocompatibility and NSF 51 food safety requirements. Because of the material's high heat tolerance, it can withstand heat sterilization, making it available for medical and food production applications. ULTEM 1010 filament is available for the 450 MC and F900 3D printers and uses its own unique breakaway support material.